Hello again, my name is Mike from MikesCarpentryPlus. Let me grab my board here. This is video 18, finished wall behind me. Just wanted to show you the wall. All the vinyl's up, the eaves done, looks good. Get back here so you can see the whole thing. Looks pretty good. I didn't replace the about 4 pieces along the bottom, but turned out real good. It's pretty straight. Give you a side shot here. See, it's pretty straight. See that this window right here? I'm going to go ahead and I decided I'm going to take all that vinyl down, and then I'll beat this J channel trim around. I'll beat it in a little bit so that it'll the vinyl will be a little more flush, and then around the front of the house, towards the other street. You can see that that window there, and I'm going to replace the bottom of that corner down there on the left. And see, I put a new window in, so I've got wood around there. I'm going to take all that siding off up to about a foot above that window, and I'll have to take some of that wood out around that window. So the vinyl will be flush. But anyway, that's going to be it for the house on the vinyl and the soffit. So I just wanted to show you the finished product on that wall right there. All I've got left on the outside is a couple lights, a couple outlets, and replace the vinyl around that new window there on that short section, and that short section in the front left side of the house that I just showed you. So I'm happy. The outside just about done, and then I can go inside and do a little bit of wiring in the master bedroom, and then insulate it, the ceiling, and then start putting drywall up. And I've got the family room, second bedroom, all drywalled, and all it needs is some corner bead, and then I'll start taping and mudding, and I'll show you how to do that. Kind of a little bit of an art form to it, and there's a lot of little tips with it, and I mean, they'll save you tons of time. If you do it right, you don't have to sand very much, and that's the whole idea. When I remodeled the home I'm living in right now, it's a small home, it's only 1,000 square feet, but I sanded the whole house within 4 hours, and that's like not very much time to sand a whole house of drywall. So I've done enough of it to where I don't want to do any more, but there's more to do. So anyway, I'm Mike from MikesCarpentryPlus, and this is video 18, May 20th of 19, and it's a beautiful day in southwest Indiana, and I'll see you probably maybe tomorrow. I'll do another video on maybe on doing the vinyl around those windows. Maybe not. I've done, I think, enough of the vinyl. You should know how to do that by now. But anyway, if you have a cat or dog, please get them spayed in or neutered. If you want to get one, please go to the animal shelter and rescue one. They'd appreciate it. So have a nice day. Bye.